Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Kushi Yoga Laya. In this video, we shall explore a standing yoga posture known as Ardha Baddha Padmottanasana. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you receive the notification on our latest videos related to yoga and health. So first let us know the meaning of Ardha Baddha Padmottanasana. Ardha is half, Baddha is bound, Padma is lotus, Uttana is intense stretch. To do this posture, stand in Tadasana. Then the right foot goes on your left thigh. Slightly bend your left leg, bend forward, grab the right big toe. Slowly bend forward. Your left palm is next to your left foot. And if you are flexible, your forehead or lip should touch your left knee. Hold this posture for 20 or 30 seconds or as long as it is comfortable, breathing comfortably. Now slowly release the posture and stand in Tadasana. Now we shall do this posture on other side. Place your left foot on the right thigh. Now slightly bend your right leg and lean forward. Take your left hand behind the waist and hold the big toe. Now bend forward, place your right palm next to the right foot. If you are flexible, your forehead or lip should touch your right knee. Hold this posture for equal length of time, which is 20 or 30 seconds. Now slowly release the pose and stand in Tadasana. If you lack flexibility, there is an alternate method for doing this posture. All you have to do is place your right foot on the left thigh and then bend forward. Place both your hands on the floor and if possible, your lips or forehead should touch the left knee. Once done, repeat same thing on the other side. Now let us know the benefits of Ardha Baddha Padmottanasana. Strengthens the leg muscles, improves ability to concentrate, relieves stiffness in knee and hip joint, improves digestion. Thank you for watching the video till the end.